Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy, and welcome in my weekly video where I explain you some trades which I took and discussed during my live trading room, and also some trades which I took personally. However, recently I didn't trade much because I am away from my home, so not always I'm in front of the PC, but still if possible, I try to take some trades, but I also miss some trades, which I will explain you in more details directly in front of the charts. But before that, I would like to invite you to join my free event, which I will organize next week on Tuesday at 7 p.m. London time. Link to this website you will find below the video in the description. And in this event, I would like to explain you a little bit about the price action, show you the importance of reading of a chart, and show you why this is important to build patience, to wait for good market conditions to trade, and also show you how to spot those good market conditions and also ranges. So just go to this website. Below you will also find a video where I explain a little bit of details about this event, and here you have sign up for, just put your name, email, click join now, and you will be subscribed. And again, it's completely for free. So now let's go to some charts. So we will see this is silver trade, and why I took this trade. We had very nice, good looking long 1 to 3, as you can see on silver. Price was bouncing around the 36 CMA. So if we go to 4-hour chart, there was option to trade this on the lower time frame. So if we go to 1-hour chart, I was hoping to get retracement a little bit earlier here. This is the perfect which I like to get, but unfortunately market gave us something different. There was the entry with the pending order, and I put a little bit bigger stop loss because of this steep move. And as you can see, I almost was spiked out in this with this trade, but luckily this stop loss hold, and first target was hit here, second target was hit here last week, and currently stop loss was 350 points. Currently I'm around 700, almost 800 points profit. So if I close this trade right now, it will be a little bit more than 2 to 1, but my goal is still somewhere here. So I really want to see maybe even 6 to 1 here. Yeah, so we will see. This is my area, and then I will see how price behave. It's still very strongly pointing up, as you can see on the 4-hour chart. So I don't manage even my stop loss yet. I just want to see what price will do around this zone. If we have continuation, then I start to trail my stop loss. There was also option to go get here into, sorry, on the 4-hour chart. If you missed 1-hour chart opportunity, here we had a 4-hour chart entry, or here with the small tiny candle, or with the confirmation here. Stop loss, of course, below, and now I think the first target would be hit. So there was also this opportunity if you missed this on the 1-hour chart. Also later option on the 1-hour chart was also here, but it was very difficult trade, not easy to spot something like this after breakout of this 2 to 3 line. You could also jump in here, or of course combinations with lower settings. Another trade is Aussie yen. We took it live on the Renko charts during the live trading room. First target was hit. It was on the M12 Renko settings. So it's like more or less like a swing trading opportunity, and the idea of course was similar. Like always, we had this 480 long 1 to 3. Price was bouncing around the 36 CMA. So after drawing the line, sorry, the Renko platform here is quite slow because I work on my laptop. Here we have this trend line. So after trend line breakout, we had this good looking 1 to 3 on the M12. Let's wait a little bit, sorry for that, it's because of my laptop. And as you can see here, we have this long 1 to 3 here. Sorry, long 1 2 3 here on the M12. We missed a little bit our entry because the correct entry should be here, but during our session price was still very close to our entry zone, so I took it here and placed stop loss below, and first target was hit here. We still have second target. We still wait for the second target to be hit. Stop loss was around 70 pips, and now as you can see I trail my stop loss here, so I simply log the profit. So if something happen, if price decide to fall down, we have break-even trade. If price continue to push up, then probably I will trail stop loss to the break-even, and then it will be profitable trade. Yes, so still everything is pointing up, so we have to wait patiently for our targets to be hit. And of course next the long-term target for now is the previous stop on the 480, which is up here. So this might give us possible 3-to-1 or even 4-to-1 at this stop. And the last is DAX. I don't analyze DAX in the live trading room, but the idea of the trades are always the same, because I trade this as a day trading combination, and I was able to took only one trade here because I was away for all this up move. I was away, I couldn't trade this, unfortunately. And the first trade which I took was a combination with the 1 hour chart bounce on the 12 EMA here, as you can see, and this was the entry. This was during the US session. Entry here, stop loss below. It was also around this area on this Renko setting, as you can see, and unfortunately, I had to close this on the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, I had to close it on the break even because price didn't go much, and because this is day trading scalping combination, I didn't want to wait for next day because I couldn't manage this. But as you can see, price went up easily and reached 2-to-1 around this zone, so it was a good trade. But if you leave it for the night, then your target would be hit, and also later on the price went up very far away. So if you manage this correctly, you could even catch this whole move. Then we had another options to jump in. As you can see here, we have this trendline breakout also here and also here. So with the lower time frame combinations, we also get very nice setups. As you can see, 1 2 3 here, then another 1 2 3 is close to our entries. Also price went up far away. If you manage this, this was lower setting entry. If you manage this here with the tiny stop loss here of the 250 points, you could get around 2000. Yeah, so it's almost 10-to-1. So very nice risk reward. And there was also chance to look for the trades after retracement of that. You have here entries, yes, stop loss, and then slowly price went up, but also good trade. Again, if you manage this on this setting, you would achieve probably like 3 or 4-to-1. And the last option was here, but unfortunately there was no entry. As you can see, we have trendline breakout, there is no EMA crossover, no entries here, so we didn't have any options. So last week was very good for DAX. Basically we didn't have any losing trades because price was just pushing up. Yes, so whatever you touched last week, even late entries, everything would be profitable, as you can see. So it's very good. Now we have to wait a little bit because no, price definitely need to rest. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, we are heading to the 36 EMA, so we have to wait to see some momentum. So if price starts to break this, you can look for buys. If price starts to break this, you can look for sell entries against the main direction. But we have on Wednesday, I think, so we have CPI news from the US, so usually market is waiting for that. So it's better to wait a little bit to see in which direction price might to go. Still, buy scenarios are with the main direction, so you can simply and look only for buys. So that's all. As you can see, not so much. I hope I will take more this week if market allows me. And again, I would like to invite you to my free workshop, which I will organize next Tuesday at 7 p.m. London time, where I will explain importance of the price action, and I will also show you how to spot good market conditions, how to spot good trends, how to spot wrong market conditions, which is sometimes more important than to look for the good one. So this is completely for free. Link to this website you will find in the description below this video. And if you are interested, just leave your name and your email here, click join now, and you'll be subscribed. Again, like I said, it's completely for free, so don't hesitate to subscribe. And we here on Wednesday next week. So thanks a lot, wish you all a great week, and see you soon. Bye.